Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we've got a special watch here with quite a history. But first, wrist check. We've got the Cadison. I call it the Cadison Royal Oak. Because it's obviously an homage of the AP Royal Oak. So yeah, it's really something. I really like this watch. Yeah, Cadison. I really like it. Wear it quite a bit actually. Wear it quite a bit as the new watch in the collection. One of the new ones anyway. But yeah. This is obviously the I mentioned it in the video. This is a Chinese watch. This is also a Chinese watch, but it has considerably more history. So this is, I believe, definitely, well, I can't put it that way because of the address, but this is the most affordable mechanical chronograph in the market. It is. I mean, usually you pay thousands of dollars for that. This one, I paid less than $200 for this one. About 200 actually. So you can find it around between 180 and it can fluctuate up to $300. Okay, so interesting padding. Let me see if there's anything in there that I need to know about. Nope, nothing in there. All right. So in the early 60s, the Chinese Air Force wanted a watch. And so one was issued in 1963. It's now called the Seagull 1963. And this. Okay. This is a manual wine watch, of course. I already mentioned that. Now, before we look at it, let me finish the story. So, it was ordered around 61. Production began. It was shipped out in 63. Now, I'm not going to go into all the details of the story, but they basically purchased a company that was closing and used that movement. Leather. So here it is. I think it was Venus or something like that, the name of the company that was closing. Sorry, this is a little... There we are. That's a little better. Alright. So yeah, this is obviously a wind. Yeah, the second hand. Oh, the display back is one of the most important things. This is all upside down. Why is this? Yeah. Look at this. Has some plastic on it, yeah. But that's just beautiful. You can see the second hand running already. Let's set the time, shall we? Let's say 10:10. Almost 10:15 in this one, but yeah. Well, let's move it to. So this, you see like a 21 yuan? That means 21 joules. 21 joules. But look at this. Look at the back. Sapphire crystal. on both sides. Look at that. That's just a masterpiece. Beautiful. And you can see the blue metal, blue metal, blue metal. That's all tempered steel. That what if you burn steel at certain temperatures, it changes colors. If you keep burning it, it'll keep changing colors. Can get up to purple. But yeah, blue is one of the main colors, and blue is one of the more eye-catching colors for this. This is just, I'm just winding it. But yeah, let's put it back on the strap. Let's put it back on the strap. And well, yeah, this watch was shipped out in '63. It's just incredible. Is this? Just wondering if this is meant to stay, or I don't know. I'll leave it there. Doesn't hurt me. Sorry, I'm trying to. Okay, there it is. It caught it. So yeah, amazing watch. So yeah, let's try it on. Alright, first time you try something on, it's kind of stiff, but that's really nice. The cheapest, well, you know what, cheap is not the right word, but the most affordable manual chronograph. You guys know I don't like chronographs, but I like history. The most affordable manual chronograph in the market. It's just incredible. Sorry about that. If you guys all saw that, I don't know, but it's. I'm kind of amazed at this watch, especially the back. I'm probably gonna put it on the leather. You know what? It has these deployants, so let's just do that. Oh, don't want this in the water. Don't want that in the water. Don't want that in the water. Don't want that. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna pause. And I'm back. Just had to catch this stuff before I got in the pool. So yeah, I'm gonna just put this on the leather. It's a nice NATO. Don't get me wrong. Nothing wrong with it. But I think I'm gonna like it on leather more. Oh, you know what? I may not have brought my tool to adjust the spring bars. Did it bring one? It did not. So probably not going to do the tool adjustment unless, yeah, I'm not going to do the tool adjustment. Nope, not doing it. I'd have to pause, go get it, and I can do that. But you guys have seen me change this strap before. So I wanted to talk to you guys about something else besides this lovely new watch. I have purchased some software to try to edit my videos a little more and add some other stuff like an intro to these recordings and such. This is recorded so far ahead of time, I don't know if it's already been incorporated into this recording or not. If it has been, please ignore what I'm saying, kinda. But yeah, I'm trying to increase my what do you call it? The quality of my work. The quality of what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm going to try to add a little bit more background sound that won't interfere with what I'm saying, unlike the cars and the planes and, you know, other stuff. So I might add in some little background noise in the back, little background music, potentially light, very light sounding, not strong at all. and also other stuff. I'm going to be playing with it because to be honest, I don't know how to do it yet. But I'll be playing with that stuff. I'll also be doing reviews, watch reviews for the watches I own. So if you have any requests for a watch you've seen me unbox, hopefully if I still have that watch, I will gladly do the review. I have most of the watches I've purchased. I still do. So I have a lot of watches. But yeah, if you have a request, please share it. I will try to incorporate editing in those videos. And I'll be covering like the dimensions of the watches, the movements in them, the loom check, obviously. But I'll try to do like a time-lapsed loom check if I can. So yeah, I'll be doing those things in those reviews. So yeah, and I won't be making as many references to other unboxings, but still, hopefully those reviews are good. Hopefully you like them, and we'll see. Still have to do a lot of recording for those watches. Record them in different circumstances, situations such as indoor, outdoor, near green grass, near the pool. But yeah, each watch is going to get its own shine. Let's put it that way. So yeah, I keep highlighting the Cadison when today's star is the Seagull 63. So yeah, I don't think this has any loom at all. I'll say that off the bat. But it's a striking watch. It really is. So let me know what you think. I look forward to your comments. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you can, subscribe. If you liked the video, please click the like. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Hopefully I can do better in the future. All right. Take care, everyone. Hope you're all enjoying your watches. Hope you're all having a great day. Goodbye.